Before starting, let me ask you one question. Do you understand English, but feel nervous when speaking? Do you know words, but cannot make sentences quickly? Then this lesson is exactly for you. Today we are learning 200 Daily Use English Sentences, Part 2. These are real-life sentences that Americans use every day. Simple, useful, powerful, no difficult grammar, no confusion, only practical English for daily speaking. So stay with me till the end, 'cause today's lesson can improve your confidence from day one. Let's begin. Welcome back to Speak Like Americans. Part 1. We learned the first 100 daily use sentences. And today, we are continuing with 200 more powerful English sentences for real-life conversation. These sentences will help you at home, outside, at work, during travel, and in daily communication. So listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice confidently. Let's start Part 2. Section 1. Shopping English. I would like to buy this. How much does this cost? Do you have a discount? Can I pay by card? I am just looking. Show me another one. This is too expensive. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? I like this color. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? I will take this. Please pack it nicely. Can I return this later? I need the bill. Is there any offer today? This looks perfect. I changed my mind. Thank you for your help. Section 2. Food and Restaurant English. I am very hungry. I would like to order food. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I want something spicy. Please make it less spicy. I would like some water. This food is delicious. The food is too cold. Please bring the bill. I need one more plate. Can I get extra sauce? I am full now. I want dessert. Please serve quickly. Is breakfast included? I reserved a table. We need 2 chairs. The service is excellent. Thank you, it was great. Section 3. School and Study English. I am going to school. Today is my exam. I forgot my homework. Please explain this again. I did not understand. Please sit down. Pin your books. Close your notebooks. I need a pen. Can I borrow your pencil? I finished my assignment. Class is interesting. I am preparing for the test. I need more practice. Let's study together. The teacher is absent today. I passed the exam. I am happy with my result. Learning English is fun. Section 4. Friendship Conversation. Nice to meet you. What is your name? Where are you from? Let's be friends. You are very kind. I trust you. Thank you for helping me. I miss you. Let's hang out tomorrow. Are you free today? Call me when you are free. I am proud of you. You look happy today. Don't be sad. I am always with you. Take care of yourself. I am lucky to have you. You are my best friend. Stay in touch. See you soon. Section 5. Health and Doctor English. I am not feeling well. I have a headache. I have a fever. My throat hurts. I need a doctor. Please call the doctor. I feel very weak. I need some medicine. Take this medicine twice a day. Drink more water. You need some rest. I have an appointment today. Please check my blood pressure. I feel better now. Pain is getting worse. I cannot sleep properly. I need an ambulance. Please help me quickly. I will recover soon. Stay healthy and safe. Section 6. Social Media and Online English. I saw your message. Please reply soon. I sent you an email. Check your inbox. I liked your post. Your video is amazing. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends. I will join the meeting online. The internet is slow today. My battery is low. Charge your phone. I forgot my password. Please send me the link. Join the Zoom meeting. I am updating my profile. Your comment made me smile. I posted a new video. Follow me on social media. Thank you for your support online. Section 7. Emotional expressions. I am very happy today. I feel sad right now. I am excited about this. I am feeling nervous. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. I am proud of myself. I feel disappointed. This makes me angry. Please calm down. I am surprised to hear that. That sounds amazing. I feel so tired. I am a little confused. I feel lonely sometimes. You made me smile. I really appreciate that. I am grateful for your help. I feel much better now. Today is a beautiful day. Section 8. Polite Daily English. Excuse me, please. Could you help me, please? Thank you very much. You are welcome. I am sorry for being late. Please forgive me. May I ask you something? Would you like some tea? Please have a seat. After you, please. It was nice meeting you. Have a wonderful day. Please take care. Let me help you. I really appreciate your time. Sorry to bother you. Could you repeat that, please? Please speak slowly. Thank you for your patience. I hope you understand. Section 9. Problem-solving English. I have a problem. Can you help me solve this? Let's find a solution. Don't panic. We can fix this. Something went wrong. I made a mistake. Let me correct it. Please give me some time. I need more information. Let's discuss the issue. We should act quickly. This is not working. Try it one more time. There must be another way. I understand the problem now. Thank you for your suggestion. That is a good idea. We solved it together. Problem solved. Section 10. Confidence Building English. I believe in myself. I can do this. I will not give up. I am getting stronger every day. I am learning from my mistakes. I trust my journey. I will keep trying. Success takes time. I am improving every day. I deserve good things. I choose to stay positive. I am ready for new challenges. I will stay focused. My hard work will pay off. I am proud of my progress. I will speak with confidence. I am becoming better every day. I will achieve my goals. Today is my opportunity. I am ready to succeed. Before we end today's lesson, remember this: confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Even one sentence a day can change your English. Keep learning. Keep improving. Keep speaking. And never be afraid of mistakes. 'Cause mistakes mean you are growing. If you want Part 3 of 1000 Daily Use English Sentences, comment Part 3 below this video. And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Speak Like Americans, 4 daily American spoken English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and speak like Americans.